Right, welcome to today's show. We're finally going to get on that record imp I started taking apart the other day. Plus... Right, so, don't know, this is another one, a different one, so that's two of these I've got on the go at the minute. This is a very nice condition one. This is next to come Strippy Downy. But I'm going to chuck this in the... I don't even need to go in the deoxy, does it really? Looking at it. No, it doesn't, does it? So, well, what can I do? I can't strip it down because I'm still waiting for me oil rubbed bronze to turn up. I have half a can, but it's a bit... You know, when you spray something and you think, this might not last a whole can. Well, that's one of those days. And then in my bucket of deoxy, I've got a record 74 vice, and I'm just not sure. I mean, I know the bronze oil rub bronze sells, but I've got one up for sale at the minute, and red would be boring because they're all red. Green, I haven't got enough green to do it. Yellow doesn't cover well. Gold does, but to be honest, gold I think would look a bit shit on an old one. So, I don't know. I could strip it right down to metal and then wax it. I've got 3 different coppers now. Don't like any of them. Isn't it straight? I mean, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've got 20 different colours in spray, and none of them's jumping out at me at the minute. I think I'm going to hit this bugger. A little pot, I suppose. For any of you that know I'm watching, I'll go for a lot of these little pots, don't I? I've got 2 of these on the go. You seen me prepping the other one the other day, and I haven't got no further with that than stripping it down. It's just a case of, what do you call it, oomph, yeah? And I've got the oomph to do this one, weirdly enough, that came later than the one that's already stripped down. Let's crack on, eh? Let's crack on. Anyway, can't find the squirty juice. Wipes are just as good. Right, that's that out. That's that out and that out. Didn't this had a thing, didn't it? Thing being an anvil missing. So, this old broken one does have an anvil. Someone said I'd have trouble getting this anvil undone, but I'm not so sure. I know how you like my commentary, Mr. Thomas, so This is a little bit rough, this anvil. I've stuck it in the drill and I'm using a file, and I will go on to use a bit of sandpaper just to smooth it off a tad. Right, both vices can go in the spray booth together because they're both going to be the same colour. So they're all taped and hung and are about to get painted. Painting done. Now, any red you see on these vices is not mist bits. It's so reflective. I'm wearing a red t-shirt and it reflects back onto the paint. So I find I'm doing that many record imps. I have to talk about them both at the same time. So this is the newer one. That's the older one. It was quite rightly pointed out the other day that the thread is a different size, but the anvils are compatible because that come up rather nice, didn't it? And I can't fucking see what I'm filming. That come out rather nice, didn't it, that anvil? That's come off of the old broken one, my spares part one. So they've both still got the ovals here. This has got the newer one's got a pronounced base that the anvil screws into, whereas that one hasn't. I believe this is unscrewable and this is cast because I couldn't get this off of the other frame. I had that in the vise and that would not come off that one. So again, look, that's got no casting there. That has a tiny bit of casting. And that has a different shape casting. So that's another difference again. The very old sought after ones of these, I should tell you now, have writing here. Right on the dynamic jaw on the bar. They have writing here, or this side. I think it's that side. Never come across one, ever. They're the ones you normally see online. The genuine ones are £120 odd online. And then there's people that just try it on. Anyway, let me know what colour you prefer, whether you prefer the orange or the reddy pink. I don't know why that's coming out reddy pink, but it is. That is about it. Never jaws on that one. There we are. Don't know what to say no more than that. Hope you enjoyed it. What next? I'll have to do 2 or 3 auto vices in a row, won't I? Oh, I might have already done that. Oh, and the shape of this is different. That's round and that's round square. That's it. That's all I can tell you, really. Not much, is it? Right. Okay, I'm going to say bye for now.